we're rolling. Okay, so I know what you're thinking, or actually I don't know what you're thinking. That was pretty stupid of me to say. But anyway, welcome back to my attempt at a YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm inside the M140. Well, at least it looks like that. I could be in a simulation for all you know. But yeah, so I put on my Instagram the other day, I was thinking about doing another POV type video. I know I haven't posted in a while. I think it's been something stupid like over half a year since I last did a video. I'm currently in a lay-by, car's warmed up, and I'm on one of my favourite roads, so I figured, why not? It's a beautiful day today, 23 degrees, which for England is like 40 degrees anywhere else, you know what I mean? It's just disgustingly warm, and I think it's gonna get warmer today, so I figured let's make the most of it and hopefully provide you with some mediocre content. We're in Sports Plus, and I'm just gonna chat some ramble while we go on some B roads. It's not gonna be a long video. There's a tree in the way. Thankfully my car's lowered. Not that low though. I must admit, it feels good to be looking stupid with a GoPro on my head again. Oh, right. So, yeah, it just feels good. There's something about it. I just feel like I have a purpose when I make sort of videos, which not only do I enjoy driving, I'm gonna have to put the windows up because I don't know how windy it'll be. I enjoy driving my car, obviously. Fuel is ridiculous at the minute, but we won't get too far into that. But I also enjoy making videos. It's just, I sort of lost, I felt like I'd done everything with this car, at least in terms of, at the minute, I mean, saving up money to do modifications or whatever, like an LSD, or constantly being torn between this, saving this, and upgrading. So like, is it worth upgrading? Because the money that I'd spend on the car, it wouldn't be received back. Whereas like, it's not like when you do a house up, the money you spend on the house you get back when you sell it. When you do a car up, unless you're doing it to like OEM standard, where like the original manufacturer would intend it to be, then it's kind of chucking money down the toilet unless you're going to keep it forever. But at the same time, what do you go to work for? You got to enjoy something. So again, I'm still not 100% about what I want to do. The smart move would to be, instead of dropping 40k on an M2 competition, which is obviously the dream car, it would be keep this car and spend maybe 5k on it to get it somewhat close to M2 performance, you know what I mean? Like, that better handling. I mean, obviously you're not going to get exact handling because obviously it's a hatchback versus a coupe, but you know what I'm saying. Like, the 140s aren't exactly known for being go-karts. I mean, they're fast, but they're very unpredictable. I mean, not ridiculously unpredictable or anything, but they don't give you much confidence past, let's call it, national speed limit, you know what I mean? But saying that, let's turn this screen off again. One thing I do want to do is get Apple CarPlay. So yeah, I'm sick of like the iDrive constantly deciding whether it wants to work or not. But I hope you enjoy these silly videos. I enjoy making them. Let me know what you want to see from a POV, and I'll shut up while you enjoy this road. obviously we're only touching the speed limit because I'm not about to incriminate myself on a YouTube video, especially when I'm not making no money off it. But my goal this year, well, I say that, it's just sort of come to my head now. We're pretty close to 1,000 subs. My goal last year was to get 1,000. We got something like 850 before I sort of lost the fun with it, that lost the spark. So it would be nice to reach that 1,000, not only for the milestone, but obviously if you know anything about YouTube, you'll know that once you reach 1,000 subscribers and you have over 4,000 watch hours, your boy can monetize the videos and start annoying you with adverts. But those adverts will help pay for modifications, obviously pay for fuel so I can keep doing the videos, makes it worth my time so that it's not just an expensive, time-consuming hobby, if that makes any sense. Obviously that's not the end goal. It'd be nice to be able to do it full-time as a job or whatever, but I'm being realistic, probably won't happen. But if we can get to 1,000 subs, maybe my mind might change, you know what I mean? So just a quick one on this one. If you could subscribe, I don't want to seem beggy, but please subscribe to my channel, please. And yeah, so let me know what you want to see from the channel. I'm always reading the comments whenever I can. Sometimes I'm a bit busy with work because I do have a full-time job as well. That being said, today it's a Friday. It's meant to be 30 something degrees today, and I work in the building trade. And seeing as I'm a builder and I can't be asked to work in this heat because I'll literally like pass out, I'm not at work today. So I figured let's enjoy some nice roads, and we're in traffic, so I'm glad that it wasn't too busy while I was filming this video. I am going to make this just a quick one because I do want to just quickly upload this, post it, and hear from you guys, whether any of you are watching still. I will be posting more frequently on this channel. Not going to say it's going to be, I'm putting the expectations down here right now in the toilet. Don't expect amazing high quality videos, don't expect regular uploads, but expect more than what was on before. So yeah, do with that as you will. Hopefully stick around for my stupid talks and my stupid personality. Videos should get better, videos should be posted more often, but in the meantime, just enjoy it, go with the flow. That's sort of all you can do these days, because you never know what's gonna happen. Lovely. Right, we'll call it at that before I kill any birds. We don't want to do that. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing, like I say. Leave a like. Let me know what you think down below. I'd prefer a comment to a dislike, but if you want to dislike the video too, go ahead. It's your choice, it's your life, you do what you wish. So I'm gonna call it that. Yeah, peace out guys, have a great day, and let's get to 1,000 subs within this year, like I said last year. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. Bye bye.